Welcome everyone in today's session. In this session, we will discuss about the topic called list in HTML. List plays a very important role in designing a page. Suppose we have 3-4 items or more than that. We need to put it in numbers or in bullets. In this case, we will require list. We have three types of list in HTML. That is, the first one is order list, means it is a number list. We can have Roman numbers, we can have ABCD, we can have 1, 2, 3, and so on, students. The second one is unordered list. In this, we will have bullets. In HTML, we will have three types of bullets. We will discuss down the line. And the third one is a description list. Even this is a part of a list. The first one is HTML order list. Now in this order list, students, we will have numbers, and by default it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. The tag for order list is OL tag, and it will resemble the numbers. The items in the list we will state with LI tag. So we have the example. In this example, we have a HTML order list, and in this we have 4 computer languages name, that is Python, .NET, Java, C++, and we want it should appear with 1, 2, 3. Let's see the practical experience of it. So what we'll do, we'll copy this to save the time. Let's copy it. There's one tag missing, that is Control C. We'll open Notepad. Let's paste it over here. Let's change the font. I want a proper font, that is a regular Arial. Okay, yeah. So we have it. Till here we have discussed in the previous sessions. Now we are preparing list, and this is my number list. It will start with OL tag, and all the list items will be with LI tag. So save this. Let's save it on the desktop. File save as. This is my part 5 .html. Save. Now we'll see, children. We will double click over here. So we can see it has come. The first one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So by default it is 1, 2, 3, 4. The attribute for OL tag is type. In this we will describe about which type of numbers we want. Now you can see the first type is 1. This will be a number numerical format. The second one is capital I, and it will be a Roman numbers. Second one is also Roman number. Then I want my list should be with ABC numbering. So I have capital A for that and small a for small case. Let's see the example. So I'll go back to the editing mode. I have opened it over here, and I'll type is equal to, first I'll have capital A and save it. save. Let's go to the browser, and F5 is for refresh. See, we have changed it. A B C D. We will see the Roman one once. I'll have small I. File, save, and let's go back to the browser again. F5 for refresh. So student, we can see by the type attribute we can have the style of numbering. Then suppose I want that my list should begin with certain number. Like if I have put it with numerical numbers like 1 2 3, and I want my number over here in the example I have mentioned, it should start with 4. See, so for that I have the attribute called start, which will specify the list from which number to start. Okay, and it is always a numerical number. So let's see, start will give, okay, start is equal to 4. Save. Let's go over here and F5. See children, it is starting from 4. Let me find out whether it is appearing with ABCD format or not. So I'll change the type to capital A, and now I want it should start with C. So for that I will give 3. F5 for refresh. So here we are. So we can see the OL tag is having two attributes, that is type and the start. Type specifies the type of numbers, and start specified from where the number should start. So we have seen the example. Now comes unordered list. Now suppose student, we want the bullet should appear in our list. We don't want the numbers. So for that we will have unordered list. And to implement unordered list we will use UL tag. So we have it. We'll just change the OL tag to UL tag. UL tag, and let's close it also with UL tag. File, save, and I'll go to the browser and refresh. Where is my browser? Here it is. See student, the numbers are changed into bullets. By default it is in circle, solid circle. We also call it Example, I am stating list of Indian states with their capital, and this time I am preparing the state name with the number list, that is OL tag, and followed by the capitals. I am using unordered list. So we'll see the example. I have it on the desktop prepared for you. So we'll double click. So here we are, students. List of Indian state with their capital. As I have said, I have started the state name with order list OL tag, followed by the UL tag as a nested list. Once again, we'll go back to the presentation. Here we are. So we can understand by seeing it. Whenever we need to nest any list, we will not close the li tag. Inside the li tag, we will start with the another list with either ul tag or ol tag. In this example, we have started with ul tag, and this ul tag will have its own items, and that will again with the tag li. I hope you all have understood. It's very easy. So next topic is my HTML description list or definition list. In this is a new style type where we will display any list item like we display it in dictionary or encyclopedia. This is very appropriate when we want to present some glossary items, a list of items, or other names and their values. Let's see one example for this. Before that, we will see what are the tags in this. We have 3 tags over here. The first one is DL tag, and this is the start of a definition list. Next one is DT tag. This is my list item. Suppose I want to describe about Python. So I need to write like Python will be with my DT tag, and the description about Python, that is it is a high level language, it will be with DD tag. We have example over here. So let's copy this example. Okay. So students, I'll paste this in that previous file of mine. Control V. I have written over here Aries, it is the 12th horoscope sign. Bingo, one of the evening snacks. Leo, again it's the 12th horoscope sign. Oracle, it's a multinational technology corporation. So let's save it, and we'll go back to the browser. We have, and we have the tab F5. So students, we are over here. See, it's in the listing format but in different manner, where definition terms appear over here and the description about this term is given over here. So let's conclude. So DL is for definition list, and DT is for definition term, and the description about the term we will use it with DT tag. So in this session we have seen the list for HTML. Hope you'll have enjoyed the session. Click the iCard for the previous links so that you can have the previous chapter reference. That's all for today. Have a nice day.